America 250, we're celebrating at the red carpet premiere for Angel Studios Young Washington in Nashville, Tennessee. Let's check it out.
We wanted to write some sort of a love letter to our nation for the 250th anniversary, and we're like, let's just do the young life of George Washington. Let's start with the hero's journey of our first founder and go from there. And so the journey happened over many, many years, and I read many, many books. And you know, I like what Aaron Sorkin says: when you adapt a true story, it's not a photograph. You're trying to paint a portrait, but you try to paint the best portrait that you can, and with love and care, and that's what we tried to do. Okay. We've screened this film a lot. This has been the main question. What now? What next? Sequel, I heard somewhere in the audience. And I laugh and I don't answer it. I'm like, well, that's an interesting question, and I don't answer it. So I thought, should we answer it? Should I answer that question? Would you guys, first of all, would you like more? I did say to Jeff and to Jordan, should we let them know what we're working on? Like, it's not tonight? Would you guys like to know?
Yeah!
I can't tell you. I'm kidding. We are working with Angel Studios on another American historical epic. Right now, the only thing I can tell you about it is 4 numbers. That's the only clue I can give you. You ready for the numbers?
Yeah.
1, 7, 7, 6.